Digital visiting card.
Vista Shopee
Has given impressive ready designs of visiting cards. Choose and download the design you like.
Vista Shopee
Will instantly personalize the chosen design with your profile data if updated in the app, and the digital visiting card is ready to share. You can share it immediately or save it to your gallery to share later. Design can be personalized before saving. You may choose new background or solid color or any other image as background. You may change profile picture for a time being. Other personal and business details can also be updated. Their text, font, size, color can be changed. Designs saved to gallery are available in My Visiting Cards tab. Saving to gallery enables easy access and easy sharing even to the newer contacts not stored in your contact list. Visiting card can have smart icons for the convenience of receiver to connect back to you.
Vista Shopee
Has given a possibility to add business smart links to every document generated through.
Vista Shopee
The smart icons can be included to visiting card at the time of sharing it. Share this visiting card through any media or can WhatsApp or even email it in case required. Digital visiting cards can be saved and sent to any printing service nearby you or even online.